The Havana model Panama hat. The Havana model from a side profile has a very level appearance to it, having a very similar front measurement to the back on a side profile. The Havana is known for a C crown, which it has a C towards the back of the crown, or what we call a teardrop crown. The C crown on the back turns into a point towards the front, giving that teardrop shape in the top of the crown. The measurements of a Panama hat, of the Havana Panama hat, is about 3 3/4 in the back and about 4 inches in the front. So it is slightly taller in the front than it is in the back, but it is not very noticeable as like the plantation model, which has a tremendously side sloping profile to it. It looks to be a very level crown. The Havana model is actually our most popular model that we offer, and it comes in all different brim sizes that you would like. Any custom brim size is available with various different hat bands and casual hat bands to colorful hat bands to more conservative bands are available. There are more than 80 different hat bands available for this hat and all of the Panama hats. So we encourage you to take a look at the different hat bands, different brim sizes and brim options that are available. Of course, it is also available with the curled edge just like any of the other models. Let's take a look at that for a moment. Going to Panama Hats Direct, we can choose to design a hat, and in our design a hat section we have a lot of different options that you can select from and actually build your hat on the screen. So if we take, for example, the Havana model and we look at increasing the brim size from our standard brim size, maybe all the way up to a 4-inch brim, we can get an idea of what it would look like before so we're building our own. And we have 80 different hat bands that we can choose from or to add extra to your hat, and just using the website to custom build your own hat. Now we can go with a much smaller brim if we want, our smallest brim, a stingy brim, or we can increase it to something that more fits your preferences, if that is the case. We can do some fancy things like doing a 3/4 curled brim on the hat. We can also do our standard brim or large full curl brim. Large full curl because it's curled on the front as well as the sides and the back, or the small curled brim. You see it's a lot smaller. Or we can do the 3/4 large. So we have a few options that you can customize and build your hat, and this is the Havana model.